Our 2007 Kia Optima is a perfect vehicle for someone who wants quality and economy. Sharp. It is a solid choice thanks to its many features and impressive value. Compared to the previous generation 2006 versions, the 2007 Optima is larger and is a much better looking vehicle all around. The interior is clearly a cut above. It boasts glowing blue gauges similar to those in the Honda Accord, and surfaces have a high-quality look and feel. There's plenty of legroom up front and in back, and the seats are well-shaped and supportive with nicely padded bottom cushions. Trunk capacity is 14.8 cubic feet, and you get a 64-teeth split folding rear seat. Safety features include full-length side curtain airbags, front seat side airbags and anti-whiplash front head restraints. This mid-sized Kia is obviously not intended as a sports sedan. However, around town, it does feel a bit like a sports sedan thanks to its relatively quick steering, tight suspension tuning and unexpectedly generous helping of road feel. Around town the car feels decidedly quick, and the V6 is rated at 30 mpg on the highway, which will save you some bucks at the pump. What a great, affordable sedan! It fills the niche for families desiring comfort, decent performance and value. Kia built its reputation in the US on inexpensive cars. For the most part, that hasn't changed, although you'd be hard-pressed to find much about our 2007 Kia Optima that's cheap. You'll get your money's worth and then some with this one. Please call and ask for Spencer Gardner for more information or special pricing. All Hyundais 6 years old or newer with less than 60k miles and Subarus 5 years old or newer with less than 80k miles are pre-certified. Additional charge for certifying.